Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong engineering science problem coming from the August 2019 Electrical Engineering Board. So this came from ESAS Chemistry. Pero before that, shoutout muna sa mga Lodi Cakes natin na FAL Conducive Engineering Review Center kay Sir or Engineer Lodi Cakes Francis RJ Pastores Luz sa Cars Calculator Philippines. And maraming salamat sa inyo, especially sa mga sponsorship na mga pinaparaffle ni Sir IJ, and more blessings to come sa review center and sa calculators po na nabebenta nyo, and God bless you always. So this is the problem. A volume of 450 cubic centimeters of air is measured at a pressure of 740 millimeters of mercury, absolute pressure at 20 degrees Celsius. What is the volume in cubic centimeters at 760 millimeters of mercury, absolute at 0 degrees Celsius? So ito, napaka-basic lang nito if alam natin yung gagamitin nating concept or mathematical equation. So kapag ganyan yung binigay kasi, volume, pressure, temperature, ang first step or ang first thinking natin, gagamitin agad natin yan, yung combined gas law. Pero kasi minsan may binibigay din ng mga number of moles, mga ganun, gagamitin naman natin dun is yung ideal gas law, which is ang formula nun yung PV equals nRT. Minsan ginagawa din siyang PV equals MRT. Pero kapag ganito naman mga idolo, kapag pressure, volume, temperature, automatic gagamit tayo ng, okay, that's correct. We will be using Sir IJ, yung combined gas law, which states that pressure and volume are inverse proportional to each other, but they are directly proportional to the temperature. So P1 V1 over T1 is equal to P2 V2 all over T2. So ano yung first pressure na binigay? So that is 740 millimeters of mercury. So that's 740 multiplied by the volume, which is 450 cubic centimeters all over the temperature. So tandaan po natin that the temperature must be expressed in Kelvin po. Yun po yung pinaka-standard na ginagamit natin sa mga ganitong klase ng formula. So etong Celsius natin na binigay must be converted to Kelvin. So pwede naman natin gamitin yung conversion by adding 273 or 273.15. Pero pwede na rin yung 273. Hindi naman ganun kalayo yung answer. So, ang magiging pressure, ang temperature natin for the first one is 20 degrees Celsius plus 273 because that must be expressed in terms of Kelvin. Is equal to what is the volume in cubic centimeters? So, volume 2 is missing. The pressure, the second pressure is 760 millimeters times V2 all over the final temperature or the second temperature, which is 0 plus 273. And then pwede nyo na itong isolve using your calculator, scientific calculators, yung CARS, even yung mga Casio or yung mga Canon calculators natin. Okay, pwede rin kayo mag-formula transformation, which is very easy din naman. So we have, ilalagay ko lang to. So ano lalabas Sir IJ na second or the final volume? So the final volume in terms of cubic centimeters, that is approximately 408.25 cubic centimeters. So the answer to this board problem from August 2019 must be letter A, 406.25. So tandaan nyo lang guys, ang basic formula lang nito, combined gas law, P1 V1 over T1 equals P2 V2 over T2. Kapag nakakita naman kayo ng number of moles, yung temperature, volume, tas isa lang yung binigay na condition, automatic gagamitin nyo dun yung ideal gas law. PV equals nRT or minsan ginagamit natin yung PV equals MRT. Depende sa units. So pwede nyo reviewin na lang yun. And sana kahit pa paano na-refresh ko kayo for this problem. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. Good luck din sa mga electrical engineering natin tsaka mechanical engineering na magtitake ng boards this August 2024. And alam kong magiging engineer na kayo by the end of August. And thank you so much for the support. I hope na marami pa kayo matutunan sa YouTube channel and sa mga platforms na meron Sir IJ. Bye-bye and God bless.